if you want to adjust quick settings panel on the Google Pixel 10 Pro, then first of all, you will have to just open your quick settings panel. And right now move to the left side, just like this, and click on this settings pencil icon. Now, if I want to remove some shortcuts, I have to just click on the minus icon on the right upper corner of every shortcut, including the big one. If I want to change position of those shortcuts, I have to click and hold and now drag wherever I want. And I can change its size, as you can see. And if I want to add an additional shortcuts, I have to click just over here and they will be right here. If you have enough space, you can make bigger shortcuts. If you want to reset all of those changes, you have to click here on the right upper corner. There we go. You can also scroll all the way down and select a reset, click OK, and that's pretty much it.